All right, so here we have a shingle that blew off, and this one was recently nailed down, and this is a new shingle. But the reason it blew off was because when they did this repair, they didn't put caulk here. So it was still able to lift up, which is why it's really important whenever you replace a shingle, you go to all the shingles around it and you caulk underneath of that. Because if one blew off, chances are the ones directly around it either blew off or you had to loosen it. For example, when I fix this, I'm gonna have to loosen this guy completely up and this guy, see that? So I need to make sure I come back and get that, otherwise, because it's loose, it can blow up again.